Sawadi Krupp, my Thai culture vultures and katoys. Koh Samui and Sentara Reserve has been a hoot. The beach, the pool bar, amazing golf, big brekkies. You should catch my earlier vids to see what you missed out on. They are trending. They are bloody trending. I could break the internet. It's only an hour flight between Bangkok and Koh Samui, but Bangkok Airways manages to serve up a meal. In Oz, you'd get a stale biscuit and a cup of water, pretty much thrown at you, served up by a grumpy flight attendant. Oh, and Koh Samui Airport is quirky to say the least. Pretty basic on arrival, but interesting when departing. And yep, you are hearing new background music, courtesy of a request from Maverick. Wandering from Nana BTS down to Asok. Walking tour. Maybe we drank at that bar down there on the corner.
This is good pad thai.
Today, Hamagra, Viagra, other marital aids. Mango sticky rice. Hamagra, Viagra, other marital aids. Hamagra, Viagra, other marital aids. Hamagra, Viagra, other marital aids. Don't want to think about how she did it back in. Hamagra, Viagra, other marital aids. Viagra, other marital aids. The decathlon. Viagra, other marital aids. And now we're at ASOC and Terminal 21 Shopping Centre. As usual, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!